Hello everyone. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me introduce myself. I'm Pudit Pangkang. I study at Civil Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, Rachmangkol Thanyaburi. Today my topic is the James Webb Space Telescope. My talk is particularly relevant to those of you who love will begin by explaining what is the James Webb Space Telescope. Next, I will go on to how to use a telescope. Finally, I will tell you about the benefits of a telescope. My presentation will take about 2 or 3 minutes. I will email the PowerPoint presentation to you. If you have any question, feel free to ask me after my presentation. ขอบคุณครับ